Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make this simple, easy chocolate turtle recipe. So easy that you can make it. Join my YouTube membership for exclusive benefits and exclusive giveaways. By becoming a member, you will gain access to giveaways, but that's not all. You will also have the opportunity to participate in our members only lives filled with goodies to enhance your adventures in baking. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Next, we're going to be adding about 6 tablespoons of melted salted butter into a bowl. Next, we're going to add about half a cup of sugar and a half a cup of light corn syrup. And you're going to need a spatula because you want to get all the little bits out. Now we're going to be adding half a cup of light brown sugar. And now we're going to be adding some condensed sweetened milk. And this is about a half a cup as well. Now we're just going to give our mixture a good mix just so everything get well incorporated. So we're just going to mix this very well.
When I need my space, you give that. When you broke my heart, you fixed that. It's a long walk on the beach. Never when they Hong Kong from the street. They see us soon right in the teeth.
So now we're going to place this into the microwave in intervals of 30 seconds just so we can cook this down until it get a little thickened. So once we take it out of the microwave and it get thickened, it should look something like this. And to this point where we'll be adding our toasted walnuts. And to my surprise, I forgot to add the vanilla extract on camera, but I also added about 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and just mixed it very well prior to adding the walnuts. And right here, I'm just going to add the remainder of my walnuts just so I can completely coat it with our caramel filling. So now we're just going to take a scooper, or you could take a spoon and just scoop out like the even amount of portions of the mixture, and we're going to add it on a parchment paper, or right here I'm just using the silicone mat. And I will leave a link down below where you can find this mat because I know a lot of people have been asking me. So now we're going to place our candy into the refrigerator for about an hour until it's nice and firm. In the meantime, let's start on our chocolate. So right here we're going to be melting our chocolate, and I have plenty of videos of me melting chocolate, so we're just going to skip this portion. And once your chocolate is nicely melted, it should look something like this. So once you take your candy out of the refrigerator, we're going to go ahead and coat the chocolate on top just so it can solidify. And we're just going to completely coat it, and then we're going to place it on our silicone mat. And once you completely coat all of your candies, I would recommend you stick this back in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour just so it can completely set, and then it should look something like this. Fam, when I tell y'all these came out so good, I am going to start making these more often. This is going to definitely save you guys a lot of money if you like chocolate turtles. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. Until the next video, peace. And if you like this video, please consider checking out my others. And also, don't forget, subscribe.